Hi friends, this is Priscilla. Have you ever heard someone snore while sleeping? It sounds light, but why do we snore? Some snores are soft, some are loud, and guess what? Kids can snore too. Are we snoring on purpose while we sleep? Let's find out. When we sleep, air moves in and out of our nose and mouth. Sometimes, the air has trouble moving smoothly. When the air squeezes through, the soft parts of our throat start to shake. That shaking makes the snoring sound. People may snore more if their nose is stuffy, if they sleep on their back, or if they are very tired. Don't worry, friends. Snoring is normal. It happens to almost everyone sometimes. Fun fact: even babies and animals snore sometimes. So, can snoring stop? Sometimes yes. Sleeping on your side or having a clear nose can help. Snoring is just air making sounds while our body rests and sleeps. What do you wonder about next? See you in our next I Wonder Why adventure. Bye.